You'll say hey to everybody?
Hi.
Go ahead and get you some of that dirt. Now curl that bucket all the way in. And curl your bucket. There, all the way in. Now, push your stick out to get some height. Good, a little more. Now, swing us over the truck. Good girl. Good girl. Let's get some more. Emma's getting her some practice on the digger. Now remember, you got to curl that bucket. Now pull your boom all the way up with your left hand. Now push your stick out with your right hand to get a little height. Go ahead. A little more. Now start swinging slowly to the right. And watch ahead of you. Make sure you ain't going to slam that bucket into the mat. Go ahead. Atta girl. You're so cute. Go ahead and get you another scoop. Curl it in. Okay, get in that dirt. Get mean with it. There, now get you some of it. Curl that bucket. Now remember, you gotta curl the bucket before you come out of the ground. Okay? Go ahead and try it again. You're doing good. You're fine.
You want me to get mean with it?
Yeah, get mean with it, baby. Now curl that bucket into the ground. Remember, curl, you pull this one towards you. There you go. Curl it all the way in before you pull it out of the ground. Perfect. Go ahead and start swinging. I believe you might just clear it. Yeah. Get it, girl. Show it dirt who's boss. Yep. Alright. That's good there. Curl it all the way before you pull it out of the ground too much. Now curl. That's how you do it, baby. Get you some of that dirt. Whoop. We don't want to wear it, do we? What? I said we don't want to wear that dirt, do we? You're fine. Go ahead and push that stick out so you get some clearance. Now swing us over the truck. Nice and easy.
Stop it.
goodies, girl. Now you have to pull your boom out just a little. You're in just a little hard. There you go. Now curl your bucket in. Go ahead and curl it. Now, pull that boom in. Easier. You gotta go easy so you don't lose your dirt. Okay? Push your stick out. A little more. Now swing us over the truck easy. A little more. Now curl your bucket out nice and slow. You only want to get mean with it when you're in the dirt or in the ground. Atta girl. Tell everybody have a great day.
Have a great day.